Hi guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So guys, in this video we're gonna learn about geography chapter 4 Earth Earth's surface. So this is a very easy chapter to understand. So for this video I'm using this book Total Geography Class 9 icse by Morning Star. So our knowledge about the interior of the earth comes not from excavation and exploration of the interior parts of the earth, but from the study of seismic waves, materials thrown up by the volcanoes, and evidence from the theories of origin of the earth. So they said that we won't learn about geography or the earth's structure about the geographical earth structure by excavation or any exploration of the interior parts. We always learn by the study of seismic waves or any materials thrown up out of volcanoes, because the volcanoes which are like things which are thrown out from volcanoes comes from below. So we get to learn from that, we get to see what all is inside. So in respect of seismic or the earthquake waves, only primary waves, p waves, so primary in the sense p waves, reach the surface of the earth. The secondary waves, s waves, means the secondary waves do not pass through the liquids. The scientific instruments which record these waves have enabled scientists to know about the density, pressure, and temperature of the interior of the earth. So there are instruments created by like scientists which is used to measure or to measure the interior of the earth. Okay. Then we have earth structure. The earth is made up of several concentric layers. So it is made up of several layers. Okay. The outer layer is the earth's crust. So imagine this is the earth, just a rough drawing, and the outer layer is the earth's crust. This outer layer is called the crust. This outer layer is called the crust. Okay. The other name for this crust is lithosphere. Lithosphere in the sense, the meaning of lithosphere means there are the place where there are the outermost layer of the earth where are a lot of minerals, rocks, molten rocks. So parts of the ocean crust that are immersed under the oceans and seas from the hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere in the sense that is the ocean, the seas, lakes. Okay, all the water bodies are called hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. The extending upwards, the earth is enveloped by a blanket of gases which make up the atmosphere. So this is a blanket, and what is this called? This is called as atmosphere. Okay. Then they have told us about the chemical composition. So the lithosphere, or the outermost crust of the earth, is the thinnest layer. So imagine this, the earth. Yeah. So this thinnest layer, this outer layer, as you can see, this thinnest layer, this is called the lithosphere or the crust. Means where we live. Okay, where we humans live. Okay. Then it is made up of rocks with large content of silicates, feldspars, and mica, etc. So these are this lithosphere is made up of like rocks and other contents, other minerals things. So this lithosphere can be divided into two broad divisions. So lithosphere can be divided into two broad divisions, which is SiAl and one more is SiMa. This is Sial and this is Sima. Sial and Sima. Now, Sial appears to float above the Sima because has less density. So this Sial is on the top. Imagine if this is the Earth's surface and this is the lithosphere. Yeah, this is the lithosphere, and this upper part is Sial, and the so Sial is above the Sima, right? Because why? Because Sial is has less density than Sima. Okay, now what is this Sial and Sima? You won't get it, right? So the name Sial is, let's talk about Sial first. It is taken from silica and aluminium. Silica, wait. So this Sial, okay, Si and Al, these are divided. Okay, what is Si? It is silica. What is Al? Yeah, so Si is silica. So silica's formula is Si. Al is aluminium. So Si and Al becomes Sial. Okay, that is Sial. And what is Sima? It's the same, but the right side will be changed. So Sima is also divided into two. Okay, so Si as same silica, and Ma is nothing but magnesium. Now you will be thinking the magnesium comes as Mg, right? But why they have written Ma? That's because they have taken first two letters, Ma and Si, Sima, like that. And as of Si is a okay. Now we'll go to the next topic. Before going to the next topic, there is one most important thing which can be asked for your exam, which is knife. N-I-F-E. Not K-N-I-F-E. It's N-I-F-E. You know what is this? This is also divided into half. Yeah? So, what is it divided? Ni is nickel, and Fe, as you all know, it's iron. So iron is Fe and nickel is Ni. So Ni and Fe, this form knife. So what is this knife? So since these are heavy metals having high density, they are found deep inside the earth. So they are basically found what they have said, yeah, they are basically found at the core. So basically this is the earth, yeah, and this is the core, this is the mantle, and this is the crust. This is just a rough drawing. So this is the core where these the where the knife is found. Okay, now we'll go to the next topic, which says internal composition. So you have to draw a diagram for this. So here's a diagram. So what they have said, based on the above based on the above chemical composition, the earth's interior is divided into 3 layers. Here I have drawn 4, but for the fourth, this is actually not required, but still, just for the knowledge. So yeah, it is divided into 3 layers: core, mantle, and crust. So core, excuse me, this is the core, yeah. Then comes mantle. This is the inner mantle, and this is the outer mantle. Okay. And last but not the least, okay, so this is the outer mantle and this is the inner mantle, and last but not the least comes the crust, also known as lithosphere, which is this one. This is the crust. Okay, so guys, first we'll talk about the core. It is the most inaccessible part, lying at the center of the earth. So this is the center of the earth. The core is the center of the earth. The core is the densest part of the earth. Means it is the deepest part. It is also divided into outer and inner core. Okay, so it is also divided into outer and inner core. So like 2 parts. Okay, like the outer mantle and the inner mantle. So then the inner core is about, remember this, you can use this in exam, they may give extra marks. The outer core, the entire core is about 7,000 kilometers in diameter. Okay, the temperature ranges from about 4,400 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees Celsius. It is generally believed that the core is composed of iron and nickel, which is responsible for Earth's magnetism. The magnetic field is oriented towards north and south poles. So yeah, this is the core. Now, what is mantle? Yeah, what is mantle? So what is mantle? This layer lies below the crust, like just below the crust. Its average thickness is 2,900 kilometer, and makes up to 84% of the Earth's total volume. So mantle is divided into 2 parts. Again, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. So the upper mantle extends from the more discontinuity to the depth of the 700 kilometer. 700, okay. It is cooler and made of solid rocks. The lower mantle extends from 700 to 2900 kilometer. So the lower mantle is hotter and denser than the upper mantle. So basically the lower mantle is very uh, like it has the highest temperature, not like compared to core it is lowest, but still compared to the crust it is highest. Compared to the lower compared to the upper mantle, it is the temperature is more, means high, and compare the upper mantle has less temperature. Okay, so at the depth of around 100 to 410 kilometer, the mantle is partially molted and is known as the astronosphere. This can come in your exam. So low mantle is solid due to high pressure. As the pressure increases towards the interior of the earth, the density also increases. So when we go inside, the temperature keeps increasing. Okay, so the temperature varies between about 10 yeah, 1000 degree Celsius to 3700 degree Celsius. Okay, yeah, so understood guys. Okay, now we'll go to the crust, which is also known as lithosphere. So crust is also called lithosphere because it is a sphere of solid rocks. Crust is only 1% of the earth's mass and contains all known life in the universe, right? So we all the living things and non-living things, like basically more than living things, live on this crust or this lithosphere. So the crust is a relatively thin layer of the rocks with a thickness of 60 kilometers below high mountains and just 5 to 10 kilometers above the oceans. So considering the size of the earth, the crust is relatively the thinnest layer. The temperature of the upper part of the ocean crust has been estimated as 0 degree, but it is gradually starts rising towards the interior. As I said, the temperature in the so basically, as I said, the crust is 0 degree Celsius. But as we go in interior, the temperature keeps increasing. Okay, the weight and pressure of the rocks also start increasing with the depth. So as we go deeper, like denser, the weight of anything gets to start like more heavier. Okay, so yeah, that's it about the lithosphere. And we have some exercises below, and yeah, you can just, as I explained, I hope you will get the answers easily. So yeah, in the next video we'll be doing about the hydrosphere, I guess, hydrosphere, or the composition of the structure of the air. Sorry, composition and structure of the atmosphere, chapter 11 or 12. Okay, yeah, that will decide in the next video. So I hope you excuse me, I hope you understood today's geography class. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care everyone, study well, all the best for your exams, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye.